Yeah, I know it's not real content, but I need to make this second and last announcement video so you're all properly informed. First and foremost, seriously, thank you for all the subscriptions and patience. I'm doing what I can to get real content out there for all of you, but it's just taking some time. Which brings up the main point, content release pacing. I have fun making miniature tutorial videos, but not as much fun as making the models themselves. I'm still refining and finalizing plans for future tutorials, tips, and reviews, but I only have so much free time to go around. This is my hobby, not my job, and I'd much rather it remain fun over profitable, so I'm prioritizing the social media that's currently driving the most traffic. That'd be my Instagram. At over 12k followers and still booming, I'd argue it's the main reason most have found my YouTube after my focus shift. With that in mind, that's also what's causing delays on the videos. Due to room limitations, I don't have a dedicated setup. My editing is also far from simple, so making a video will wipe a considerable amount of my free time. I also do videos based on what's currently on the production line. As it stands, I currently have video plans for the Domino effect on Harlequin vehicles, atmospheric Nighthaunts, and an entire course dedicated to Freehand, and a bunch of other things. Those have no ETA because frankly, priority 1 is getting my Warlord off my work table because it's holding everything back. The Nighthaunt will probably come next since it's quick, followed by Domino Field 2 and so on. And to address the elephant in the room that's my old video game content, that stuff won't come off the consideration table because the act of building and creating is incredibly fun for me regardless of the medium. Should the time come that I start running out of hobby material or my old construction gaming content starts gaining traction, well, the channel could start slowly turning into what I truly wanted it to be. A channel where I both make things and show people how I make things, all while making it entertaining. It's a far-flung pipe dream, but it's not off the table. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them off in the comments section. Thanks again, and I hope to reward your patience with content that meets my set bar of standard, and in a much more timely manner if all goes well. So as always, thanks for stopping by, have a f***ing awesome day, and I'll see you next time with real content.